kitchen remodel. Brick, brick, brick. You know, the Three Little Pigs, the one who built their house of brick. Pretty sure that was the motto of the builder of this home. Solid brick home, and of course we knew it, but you know, when you don't see it. So James removed lots of the wood paneling, shiplap, whatever it is. Each piece of this is a piece. One piece, it comes off. One. So, yeah, you can see this piece right here. One piece. And so, James removed all of that from this long brick wall today. And then these little smaller pieces of wood, of course, was what all of this wood was nailed into. So there were long strips running the opposite way that James removed as well. All the trim, ceiling, and floor. Yeah, there we go. So day one, and you know, you just never know what you're gonna uncover when you're doing these type of things. This house is 48 years old. So, yeah, so this wall will be next. My china cabinet is sold, just waiting on it to go to its new home. And again, removing the wood on this wall, and then of course, the whole kitchen coming out. So this is the end of day one, y'all. And lots of mess cleaned up, and it's got to get worse before it gets better, right? Okay, here is load one of cabinets. This trailer is full. We weren't able to get it all on. So, back for the second load. Okay, so I have 4 of these Lazy Susans in this 1973 kitchen. Huge Lazy Susans. They were so much storage. At first I was like, this is insane. So there's one at the bottom, one at the top. This is still a full spice cabinet situation. We haven't torn out this side yet. And then here's the lower one here. So yeah, I'm gonna miss these things actually. They were super functional for lots of things, but they gone. All right, the first piece of ceiling drywall has been installed, and probably the thing that I disliked most about this kitchen was the ceiling. I don't know why. It's in nice shape considering how old it is or whatever, but I'll just be glad to have a regular ceiling. So James got up the first piece of drywall. He's got all the rest to go. This is the dining room area here. And then this is where the upper cabinets were. And then this is the kitchen. And that's where the upper cabinets were there. So yeah, today's project is covering up the ceiling. So he's got this big old piece of drywall equipment in here and a scaffold, and he's gonna get it done. So bye-bye tile ceiling. so here is my kitchen. I have been saying that we are in a kitchen remodel. So you can see here kind of the state of things. So today though, we're at a point where I was able to be back in the kitchen a little bit easier, I guess. So you see a couple things going here. I still have my sink and water, so that's gonna be gone here in a few days. So then I'll be back to like, you know, roughing it. But anyhow, we are making some good progress. But I just thought I would show you real quick. Hi there.
Hi guys. Hopefully you will see our video soon. Gigi, don't forget to show them the food.
Okay. Today is July 18, 19, 20, 23, maybe like the 24th or so. And the lower section that's left, which is what you see here, is coming out today. So I'll be without a sink now for a couple of weeks, however long it takes to. James is hoping to get the base cabinets installed today. There'll be one there. All of these, of course, around to about right there. And of course, where we had a big peninsula before here, this area will be an island now. So once this is torn out and the new is installed, then we have to put down the template and make sure that's right before the countertops are cut. So this is the end of this era. These cabinets are about to come out. So thought I would just do a little last look here of these 1973 solid cherry wood cabinets. That is it. And the sink gone. And they're gone. There we have it. New cabinets on the lowers are getting ready to come in. Yay. More brick, of course, behind everything. Brick, brick, brick.
Let's say it's a boat that we're all in together, that barely stays afloat while we all discuss the weather. How long can we all go on before we change our ways? How long till the break of dawn? How long till it days? How long till it days? Let's say it's a bed we all know is on fire. Pharaohs spin our heads, but no one calls out liar. How long can we all go on before we change our ways? How long till the break of dawn? How long till it days? How long till it days?
That's pretty cool, isn't it? And while our kitchen is not finished yet, our brand new stove is here. Check out how beautiful. We went with a Whirlpool, and this is the black stainless. It is so beautiful. We just love it.
Till the break of dawn, how long till it days?
I wish it had the pretty blue interior, but Whirlpool does not make a blue interior. But she's beautiful. She may not, well, how's this for a really, really ugly ugly situation under all the flooring in the laundry room. I've said before, this house was built in 1973, so I have a feeling that is the original floor, probably right there. When we moved here, it was the brown indoor-outdoor carpet that you can kind of see over there. And we, just for a quick fix, just went over it with some navy blue carpet tile. There was a lot of things to be done here, and that was not a priority. So that's what happened. When we moved in, we put down the carpet tile, and then now the time has come for everything to come up and a new floor to go down. So we're just working like half and half. So everything is on that end of the room, and then this portion of the floor will be done. We will put those back in place and do the floor on the other side. We are putting in the same LVP luxury vinyl plank that we are putting in the rest of the house. It is a beautiful, warm, very cushiony, expensive floor. It is a top of the line LVP, waterproof. It's gonna last and last. So we're really happy to be getting a new floor in this room. This room definitely needs to be overhauled. You can see some of the original red brick, but that's not on our immediate priority list right now. But we will eventually probably put in some new cabinetry and tear out some of this existing, the shelving units that they've got there. But for now, they're working just fine, and we're not ready to tackle this project just yet, but we are getting in a new floor. And here is my beautiful new floor, you guys. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my word, I love it. Now, down here on this end, this is a little wooden platform that these things are sitting on. So when we do a complete, you know, paint job and kind of updating the space besides the floor, right now we're doing the floor in the whole house, so the floor in this room needed to be done along with it. But we will paint that. We will install a transition here. That actually will be installed here in just a day or two, as soon as we get those. But I will paint this. We will paint all of this brick. That's our plan. And so good things to come. Now this wall is going to be painted here in just a couple weeks. Just when things slow down a little bit in the kitchen, I will paint this. We will get a new plug there. These need to be sort of secured a little bit more. And so yeah, until then, we have this wonderful new floor. So I am getting ready to get some of my stuff back in here. I just cleaned off my washer and dryer, got everything all clean. I'm gonna put my rug down and start moving a few of my things back in, my laundry basket and things like that. So I have a little helper today. Hey Finley, do you want to say hi? Can you say hi? This is my little sweetheart Finley. This is my third grandson, and he is spending time with Gigi today, just Finley and me, huh? Can you say hi? He's eating a fruit snack. All right, well, I'll get back to work now. Okay, not everything is done in the kitchen by any stretch, but after about 45 days, I have water. Check it out. I have missed water in a kitchen sink for sure. My refrigerator was just delivered today. It is the black stainless steel. It's not coming off the right color on camera. And my new microwave, my new stove. Over here is my new dishwasher. But my fridge just came in today, you guys, so we're moving closer and closer. My backsplash will probably be the next thing to go up. Well, I hope you have enjoyed seeing what has kept us so busy for the past several months. We are very close to being finished, just wrapping up some last details. Sometimes those take a while, but we have been plugging away at this kitchen for a good while, doing it ourselves and just loving how it's turned out. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you are excited to see the reveal, stay tuned. It is coming very soon. We're almost done, and I can't wait to show it all to you. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. I'd love that, and I'll see you the next time.